Well, it's another beautiful day here in Florida on a Good Friday, and we're hoping it's going to be a Good Friday. The forecast is for severe clear and light winds. However, this morning I heard a different forecast. The winds are going to get cranked up a little bit coming out of the east, which is the best direction to have it. If it's coming out of the west, the ocean can really build up. And the built-up ocean, as you'll recall from our last episode, was a real issue. As recreated here by artificial intelligence, this video is a little overly dramatic, but basically we shoved the nose of the boat into a wave and it was kind of scary. Well, it turns out the center pontoon of the boat had an opening at the top, intended by the designers, and it had filled up with water. And a bilge pump, unbeknownst to us, had failed to pump the water out. So we were kind of wallowing rather low in the water. All fixed. Everything's better now. And here we are. Pull into my usual spot here amongst the live oak leaves. Don't expect the usual mayhem here because, well, it doesn't look like the captain is here yet, so Lucy isn't going to rush the car and lick me to death. Hey, there. The door is open.
Hello.
Smells like food in here. Smells like a restaurant.
Well, they're cooking. The boys been cooking all morning.
Morning fish fry. Here's some, I don't know what that is. Sue said, bring this to John's house.
Amazing prune juice.
Oh,
they're all guys.
Perfect. Yeah, I don't need that. You youngins might need it, you know, if you get a little backed up.
Yeah, probably.
And we brought back this crazy sci-fi book that John says is very prescient about how the universe will end. So here it is. Right here on the table in Yankeetown, ladies and gentlemen, the book that describes how the universe will end. Well, okay, Charlie. Jack. John.
You got it. We did pretty well. Did you see the trout?
Yeah, that was a nice trout.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Famous trout. Very good.
He was good. We ate him up last night.
As we're looking into the sun, here's Charlie, just as predicted. Hey, Charlie. Oh, sorry, he's doing something undignified. Well, don't watch that, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, Charlie.
Everybody's still in the house?
Yeah, the visitors are all inside there. They're making meatball sandwiches.
Great.
Hey, Lucy. How are you? Yeah, it's a good doggy. Oh, it's a good doggy. Let's let you out. Let's see. How do I get in here? Oh, here we go. We'll just do this. Stay here. No. Get out of that car. Come say hi, Luce. Okay. Go in the house. All that yelling you hear back there is Lucy getting her life jacket on. But what I intended to catch was all the lovely birds chirping away out here in the late Florida spring, or early Florida summer, depending on how you look at it. But of course, all you can hear now is somebody using sounds like a tile saw or something. Somebody's getting some new tiles put in the kitchen. It's all day long here. Now there's a picture of domesticity and tranquility. Lucy's relaxing on the back lawn, knowing full well that adventure lies ahead.
Stuffing food in our mouth, are you?
Well, of course. Look at the size of this thing. Holy mackerel. That's all you get for today. One meal, just like they did back in the Middle Ages. No, if that.
This is your breakfast lunch.
Right. They just finished having pancakes with...
Oh, God.
What did you put in it? Egg whites?
The youthful metabolism.
Yeah.
All right, the dogs are having good fun now. They're tearing around, barking at each other. There we go.
Yeah.
So we're getting lined up to sing happy birthday to one of my brother's kids. Because he's way off in another state where it snows all year round.
Here we go.
Oh, okay. Cameras are rolling.
So cute.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Live well is getting ocean water, right? Oh, while you're on the river.
Yeah, so they've always said
So, fishermen and anglers of all ilk and size, can you put pinfish and in a live well and feed it this brackish water, semi-fresh water, without killing them? And I say the answer is no, you can't kill them that quick, because we did it last time I went fishing. Because when I went and fished what was left out of the live well, they were all hopping around all happy and crazy.
Where's our heavier?
Well, I was wrong about Charlie coming on the boat. He's not. My brother here has decided it's just too many other people on here and too crazy, so he just came to say hello and do happy birthday.
Where's the... Just a minute.
Well, here's the new construction project here. It looks like they added a balcony. I don't think it was quite so prominent before.
Yeah, we feed them.
All right.
Arm out.
See that? What is that? Some kind of black... Oh, there's two of them. They're chasing each other. Oh, wait a minute. They all know. There's some birds that have apparently... All right. Come here, birdie.
My peanut butter and jelly.
What else we got?
Here, Jack. You want all the peanut butter and jelly?
Aw, that's probably illegal.
And watch, he goes over, lands on a branch, and eats it.
Okay. Stays away from his friends.
Yeah.
Well, we're back at one of our old favorite hunting grounds, the No Fish Island. It's a spoils bank here on the canal cut, Withlacoochee canal cut out here in the ocean, the Gulf. And the seagulls are enjoying what's left of it, and we're about to start fishing. But there's a lot of discussion going on as to exactly what we should be doing here. And I don't think we're going to be here very long, so I better get with it. We decided to stop off here and fish a little bit. And so all the young'uns are hopping overboard, going to the other side of No Fish Island. Hey, Jack, you want to borrow some plastic Skechers? Because you're going to walk on an oyster shell and bleed like a pig. Now Lucy's trying this side of the boat. Lucy, stop drinking the ocean. Bad for you. All right, we got Jack to wear scuddy-duddies here on the oyster beds. Always a good idea to not walk barefoot on the oyster beds. His dad is way over here, fishing in the deep water canals between all these spoils islands. And Lucy's right here, trying to figure out how she's going to get back to the boat. Don't worry, Lucy, we'll come fetch you. All right, the captain's even gone ashore here. This pleasant little desert island affords a little adventure to the adventurous. The captain's got a redfish. That's a mighty nice big fat one. But it doesn't look like it's quite tall enough. Don't fall over.
Hold
right.
my rod, Charlie.
That's a good sized fish. And 50 years ago, you'd have kept it and no questions asked, but it's only 16 and a half and the slot starts at 18. There he goes.
He looks pretty lively.
Off he goes. Oh, he's going right toward my bait.
There goes your ruler.
Oh, the ruler's on the bottom. So against my better judgment, I've allowed the expedition to head out further into the ocean, but actually the circumstances are pretty favorable. Not the least of which is the fact that we don't have 1,000 pounds of water in the center pontoon, but and the sump down there is where the bilge is still working. But the wave conditions are, you know, ideal. Yeah, well, good way to lift up this stuff. Got my GoPro a little wet. Somebody got a sea bass. Lucy. Ouch! Whoops! Overboard.
Got bottom net.
And the bottom.
Didn't pull that fast then.
This looks like a fish, but
What do you got? You got something, Charlie?
I totally had one, and it came off. I felt it pull.
looks like the captain's son has caught himself a delicious ladyfish.
Who wants a ladyfish for dinner?
Bring it in.
A big one. All right, who's got the flyers?
I think I
They're
saw
up
one
front,
on the floor.
Keep your thumb on the spool.
Like that?
Yeah, if you let the line out too fast, it'll get a backlash.
about the deep diver he's got on here.
Ah,
It pulled up a fern off the bottom of the ocean.
yeah.
Now he learned how if you keep your thumb on the spool and the spool takes off, you burn the skin right off.
Yeah.
That's a keeper.
A keeper sand trout.
Hungry?
You should be proud of yourself.
Yum yum.
See if it passes the Lucy taste test.
Oh,
What do you think, Lucy?
tasty.
Snap, snap, snap.
Let's not get a mouthful of treble hooks though.
Yeah,
Spruce.
really.
Sea bass.
And a little baby fish. So you've gone over to the lure method. Okay, let's get it close so it looks huge.
These little sea bass are pretty gamey to go for something like that. They're hungry.
A blue runner.
That's about the size of them.
Yeah, they're. Let's put a hand up here for a comparison.
Oh
sake.
no, no.
Oh, sorry, I ruined it.
He was the size
But
of your body.
the captain swears they're good eating, so
what
don't
he
turn your
says.
nose up at them.
I'm not good at you.
Look at that. You just jig it. Pretty freaking amazing.
You sure you
What are
don't?
you going to do that? You're going to grind it up to make fish chow?
I'm gonna throw him back.
What do you think, Luce? What is it? Get him. Is that a... Oh, okay.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
In case some of our viewers have not been in the realm of ladyfish, ladyfish is about the only fish in the ocean that looks sort of normal, but cannot be processed in any meaningful way that makes it edible. You can pressure cook it.
It tastes all right, but it's just
It's mush.
ridiculously.
Nope, nope, nope.
Yeah. Charlie
That's a porgy.
has a fish. Look at that porgy.
Drop him in the bucket. I eat porgies too.
The captain wants
him
the
up,
porgy.
Charlie.
You've paid your way. You've paid your passage, young man. Wait a minute. Which one is the bait and which one is the catch? Hold on. There's some confusion here. I see two fish that are roughly in the same order of magnitude. Okay, there's the porgy, and there's the little pinfish. Yep, they're about the same. Well, you've traded up a little bit with the porgy. We have yet to catch the proverbial lunker.
When you got a ball of fish on your radar, you
The radar.
got it.
What, did it move off? I don't see it anymore.
There's a couple fish at the bottom.
Yeah. All right. Poor
I
Jack
see him.
caught a tiny pinfish, and it fell through a slot in the
This guy
seats.
is not.
And it's got to be retrieved, or it will leave an unholy stink down there. Maybe Lucy can help with this. There it is. Okay. Well, as we head back in here, Lucy is going into beg mode here.
No.
And I always give her a piece. Just bite off a piece and give it to her. Make her happy. I get a friend for life. There you go. Is that good? Yeah. Well, on our way back into shore here, we're discussing everything on the planet. Well, not everything, but some stuff. Hey, so what about that quantum mechanics stuff, huh? Oh, it's a high tide. That island is almost submerged. Wow. So they've made quite a bit of progress here on the new fishing pavilions out here at the end of Route 40 at the parking lot and the boat launch. They've got these nice shaded areas and a whole line of stuff, so people don't have to climb on all these. See all these rocks here. Like these people here fishing right here. It's kind of dangerous to stand on those rocks. One fall, and it's gonna hurt. There's Gilligan's Isle. Oh, here's our friendly neighborhood eagle. Well, that's the end of our little fishing trip with nephews and grandkids and, well, no grandkids, just nephews and grandnephews, right? You guys are fulfilling the role of grandnephews this trip. And I might say that it was a far more relaxing trip than the last one, now that the boat has been certified as deep ocean safe. Oh yeah, and we caught fish. Thanks for being with us. Good night, everybody.
Was it a good trip, Lucy? That's all right. You don't have to say anything. Oh, you're hungry.